Presenting the Advin Laparoscopic Bipolar Forceps. Maryland with cable, a reliable instrument designed for precision dissection and controlled coagulation during laparoscopic procedures. This advanced Maryland-style forceps offers versatility, making it suitable for a wide range of minimally invasive surgeries. The instrument features a curved Maryland jaw, allowing surgeons to grasp, dissect, and manipulate tissues with exceptional accuracy. Its bipolar functionality ensures targeted energy delivery, minimizing lateral thermal spread and protecting surrounding structures. Constructed from premium medical-grade stainless steel, the forceps ensure durability, corrosion resistance, and smooth performance throughout repeated use. The high-quality insulation provides enhanced safety and prevents current leakage during energy application. The included bipolar cable ensures efficient power transmission and secure connectivity with standard electrosurgical units, supporting seamless surgical workflow. Its ergonomic handle design offers comfort and superior control, reducing surgeon fatigue during lengthy procedures. With its blend of precision, safety, and durability, the Advin Laparoscopic Bipolar Forceps, Maryland with cable is an indispensable tool for modern laparoscopic surgery.